In this video, I'll show you how to sync Obsidian with Google Drive. So for the PC, it's pretty simple. All you need to do, first of all, is just download Google Drive on your PC. Without it, you will not be able to do it. So install it. Once it is installed, you will need to go and open your Obsidian. So you can go and create an example, first of all, of Vaults by clicking on Manage Vaults at the bottom left. Click on Manage Vaults, and here go and click on Create a Vault to create one. Give it a name and browse a location for it. As an example for me, I'm just going to put it somewhere here. Of course, you cannot put it inside the Google Drive folder because they will not allow you to. Let me just show you. It's an error. You cannot even create folders inside that. So just go and create it somewhere. And for me, I'm just going to create it here. And I'm going to click on create. As you can see, it is created. And here is my vault and everything. So now, if I go to my Google Drive, as an example, go right here. All we need to do just go and click on add more folders to sync. So click on that and just locate the folder that you just created, as you can see, for your Obsidian Vault. So select this folder, click on select this folder, click on sync with Google Drive, click on done, and you should be good to go. For me, I'm not going to do that because I'm almost running out of storage. But for you, you can do that and the sync should be very over and very easy. For example, let's just do it, nothing to lose. So let me just go back here, click on select this folder, click on done as an example, and here you are. So you can save it on your laptop, as you can see, and also your Google Drive. So click on save, and there you go. You should be good to go. So it's saved and it's synced, and you can click on open your Google Drive folder. You can click on your drive and you'll be able to see the drive found there as well. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.